Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will be reviewing some of the products that I've recently bought and recently been using them. So let's dive right into it. Just to give you a little context, I am alone at home today और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूं, so I thought why not do something productive. पर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था किस चीज़ पे मैं वीडियो बनाऊं, so I thought why not? I mean, you will get to see what I've been using recently and what I've recently purchased. मैंने लिया है, let's just get started. So there will be no proper order that I will be going for. I will just pick up some of the products that I've collected here. Okay, so I will be picking up firstly this. This is bio oil, skincare oil. This is my favorite oil. ये मुझे इतना ज़्यादा सूट करता है यहाँ पर. Even though I bought this from India, मैंने यहाँ से नहीं लिया. यहाँ पे भी मिलता है, but it's so damn expensive. I think I've seen this same bottle for around 26-27 euros. Definitely worth it. यहाँ का weather is so dry. Even though it's summer right now here, but यहाँ पे फिर भी हमेशा windy रहता है. This is only my first bottle though, but it's such a lovely oil. If you think it might be beneficial for you, you can go for it. Now the second product I'm gonna be picking up will be this micellar water. This is one of the best cleansing oil in water. Water and oil. It's one and the same thing. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है यार. I didn't know. मैं इसका दूसरा वाला यूज़ करती थी. I don't know if it's pink. It was pink, I think. One of the best micellar water I've come across so far. मेरे पास ये है. This goes for eyes as well, by the way. पर मैंने ये खरीदा हुआ था पहले. This is also for sensitive eyes. तो ये मैंने इतना यूज़ करा हुआ है. This is of course this is amazing. But इसके साथ इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I mean, you can clean your eyes, face completely with this. You don't even need this special eye cleanser. Now I'm gonna be picking up this ELF makeup cleansing balm which I've recently bought. मैंने आज तक ELF के products नहीं use करे, but I just love this. इसके साथ you don't even need a face wash or anything. I didn't even realize makeup cleansing balm would be so good. It has a beautiful fragrance to it. I've just used this much क्योंकि अभी मैंने recently ही लिया है. मेरा experience has been so amazing so far. मज़ा आ गया इसको use करके. I mean, मैंने पता नहीं क्यों इतने सारे makeup cleansing products ले रखे हैं जबकि I don't even use our makeup. But मज़ा आता है शाम को, you know, you want something to make you feel fresh. So this does the job. Now next up would be Gisou Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Hair Mask. This is such a beautiful product. Oh my god, I just love this. मैंने 2 बार ही use करा है अभी तक and it does the job. इसकी fragrance is so nice. I was so excited to use this and it really suited me. मैंने पहले भी सोचा था 250 ml का tub order करती हूँ, but then I wasn't even sure अगर ये suit करेगा या नहीं, because there is one more hair mask, L'Oreal का purple color वाला जो tub है, that did not suit me quite well. I mean, मुझे ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि कुछ फ़र्क पड़ रहा है बालों में, सो आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग दैट. और वो अभी भी पड़ा हुआ है, विच इज़ वाई आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज्ड. और मैंने छोटा टब ऑर्डर करा है. दिस इज़ ओनली 75 ml. आई थिंक आई सेड इट 5 times now. Anyway, so I'm gonna buy a bigger tub after this because it did the job very well. And ये recent purchase है and इसके साथ I bought Fenty products as well. I mean, it's just a small travel size tub है और travel size bottle भी है. This is the eye cream, this is the night cream. Creme gel, हाँ, इसका texture is like mixed gel and cream both. सिर्फ इसको लगाती हूँ. I just use the toner after face wash, or if I use this, I don't even use the face wash. And then उसके बाद I just apply this cream and that's it. That's it. It's such an amazing cream, I must say. और ये है eye cream. ये मैं रात में लगा भी नहीं रही हूँ. I mean, ये दोनों मिला के 22 euros. I thought never hurts. So this was also one of the recent purchases. This is your body scrub, vanilla glaze, Monday का. ये मुझे लेना था काफ़ी टाइम से. मैं इसको देख रही थी. इसकी fragrance is so good यार. इसमें है shea butter and coconut oil as far as I remember. That's correct. Bang on. इसमें यही दोनों चीज़ें हैं, which is why it smells so damn good. Oh my god, you have no clue. मज़ा आ गया इसे यूज़ करके. I must say. ऐसा दिखता है कुछ. Okay, हाँ, मैंने this is a French brand I think. इसके मैंने सारे मैं सब ट्राई के लिए चीज़ें ले रही हूँ आजकल. I don't know why. क्योंकि मैं बड़ा ले पाऊँ उसके बाद इसलिए बड़े साइज़ का ले पाऊँ. What I mean to say. So I've just bought these. ये पूरा सारा मिला के 1 2 3 4 6 products मिला के this was around, I think around 50 euros. I never knew how to pronounce this brand, but recently मैंने देखा it's a French term basically. तो this is pronounced as way. I mean, हम लोग way बोलेंगे, but in French people say Wait, this is a shampoo. I've used this shampoo. This is body cleanser. This is, I think, hair oil. इसके साथ ये leave-in conditioner भी है. We have this mask, hair mask, the body cream. I loved my purchase. ये पूरा पैक था, Fenty का पैक, and this Elf and this Gisou. ये मैंने बिल्कुल अभी लिया है. अभी as in like a couple of days back. I think a week and a half back. Now next up, I'll pick up this. Okay, so this is spelled as CHAMPO. I never knew how to pronounce the name as well. Eventually जब मैंने इसको लिए मुझे काफी time हो गया actually, a month I would say, और ये अभी भी बचा हुआ है. I just love how it smells. It smells so delicious. You have no clue. This is the Leave-In Perfecting Cream by Sharpore. ये मैं कभी-कभी use करती हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं use कर रही हूँ, which is why I don't really feel the difference in my hair. But like you have to be using the product in a timely manner to see any difference on your hairs, जो कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, so I cannot comment on this. If you're not feeling very good about your hair, if you are having a bad hair day, you might apply this and you might feel good. You never know. So ये मैं use कर रही हूँ, कभी-कभी मैं कर रही हूँ, पर ये बाहर ही रहता है, तो इसलिए मैं इसको लेकर आई हूँ मेरे group of products में. And then apart from that, I'm using this lip mask, Laneige का. This is just a free pack जो मैं use कर रही हूँ, which I got with bunch of these Laneige. I had asked my sister to get this from India when she visited me, so she bought me these two. उसके साथ ये sample, ऐसे दो थे, एक use हो गया है, this is the last one. ये तो कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे. Now next tip is the serum that I've been using from not that long. Since like 2 weeks or so. I thought I'll try some Korean products. I bought this Beauty of Joseon. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So yeah, this is suiting me. I'm loving this. Now next I have this Benefit Pore Mask, Clay Mask. This has a different story altogether. Just to give you a context, यहाँ पे there is a place called Kildare Village, which is mainly like a factory outlet for stores. We have this Benefit store. तो वहाँ पे you get a box with bunch of skincare products. उसमें 5 या 6 products थे. One of them was this. All full size bottles and tubs, by the way. And सबका price मिला के was 49 euros. Can you believe that? This individual tub is itself 42 euros, as far as I remember. So itne 5 products you got in like 49 euros. It's a steal deal, I must say. We both are using the same product. काफी बचा हुआ है. देखने में big नहीं लगेगा, but then this is like quite a big tub. 75 ml ही है. You are not applying like a thick layer of it. So I just love this one. ये मैं बहुत use करती हूँ, by the way. तब इतना सारा बचा हुआ है अभी भी. And then next, I'll pick up this lip pencil जो मैं daily में use करती हूँ. This is from Rimmel. The shade is 725 Tiramisu. An amazing lip pencil, by the way. So color is such a lovely color. मैंने already लगा रखा है, but you will not be able to tell that because उसके ऊपर मैंने 2-3 shades और लगा रखे. And along with that, I'm gonna show you Makeup by Mario lipstick with the shade Sam. ये मैंने इतनी use कर ली है. Just to tell you, ये मैं lips पे नहीं use कर रही हूँ. I am using this lipstick as a blush. Everyday blush. उसमें ये इतनी use हो गई. Otherwise मेरी lipstick सारी भरी हुई हैं. I'm mostly a lip balm kind of a girl rather than a lipstick kind of a girl. Rather than lipstick kind of a girl. I love the packaging. ये पूरी magnetic है. See? See? Again. Next up, I only have like 3 products left now. और वो भी 3 एक साथ ही दिखा दूंगी मैं आपको. These 3. These are from Sol de Janeiro. I think 25 euros का पैक था जिसमें ये 3 products थे. Travel size bottles ही हैं. This is the shower cream. This is the body mist, of course, and this is the Boom Boom cream, which it's famous for. So I bought these 3 together. I love the body mist. Who does not? I mean, this has a beautiful fragrance. Now I think that is it from my daily product review. I have many more to go, maybe in the next vlog. See you guys!